Dwyane Wade ranks Kobe Bryant on the all-time shooting guard list during a Q&A Twitter session. I'm Denise Jones. Make sure to subscribe to The Fumble for all the latest news on the NBA. When people start talking about all-time rankings, things always get interesting because someone can either leave the conversation being your best friend or turning into your enemy. The shooting guard position is the easiest and probably one of the more entertaining lists. At the top, you have Michael Jordan. No one should ever disagree with that. That's who goes on top. At number 2, most people have handed that to Kobe Bryant. I can't disagree with that. Personally, I think it's more than deserved. And at number 3, most might argue that it's Dwyane Wade. At least most experts and analysts would rank them in that order. Let me know in the comments below which shooting guard you would put at number 4 and number 5. During a live Q&A Twitter session, D Wade has Kobe at number 2. That's interesting because D Wade is a great scorer and can make some plays happen. Some pretty big plays for his team happen too, especially in 2005 and 2006. That D Wade, man, that guy was incredible. What also makes this statement interesting is that the Lakers were reportedly looking into signing D Wade if the Bulls bought him out. Hindsight, if they would have been successful in making this happen, signing LeBron James next summer would have made it that much more easier. Wade opted into the second year of his 2-year deal with the Chicago Bulls, which was somewhat surprising after the team traded Jimmy Butler. Had Wade decided one season in Chicago was enough, the Lakers would have been the first in line to chat with him. Like James, Wade will also be a free agent next year. Given what we have heard about LeBron's current feelings toward the Cleveland Cavaliers, it wouldn't be out of the question for the two to reunite. I have to ask, would LA be a potential landing spot for both LeBron and Dwyane Wade?